So this is the second part of ocular embryology. If you have not seen the first part, please go and see that. Then after that you can understand this. So in the last video we have discussed how the optic corp is formed and how the lens vesicle is formed. So if we look at this part, this will be like this, that this is the optic corp and this is the lens vesicle. If we take the lens vesicle, we can see like this. This is the anterior part of the lens vesicle and this is the posterior. In the beginning, all the cells of anterior and posterior part of the lens vesicle are cuboidal cells, but later on the posterior cells or the posterior cuboidal cells elongate and form the columnar cell. The posterior columnar cells continue to elongate until they obliterate the cavity of the lens vesicle. All the nuclei from the posterior columnar cells disappear and form the primary lens fiber. And when there is the primary lens fiber is formed, we can have the embryonic nucleus there, and this is the embryonic nucleus. And then we will discuss about the secondary lens fiber. As we know that the posterior cells are elongated and after that they disappear and they form the primary lens fiber. Here we are only having the anterior epithelium cell layer, and it is also the basement membrane, and this is the epithelial cells on the equator region, and the epithelial cells of the equator region will further develop to form the secondary lens fiber, and the nucleus of the secondary lens fiber is the fetal nucleus. This process will take from the primary lens fiber to the secondary lens fiber, the time taken is from the 7th week of gestation to 2 to 3rd months. And the basement membrane, as we can see the basement membrane here, the basement membrane develops to form the lens capsule. And here also tunica vasculosa lentis, it is the nutritive support structure around the lens, and it emanates from optic nerve head. It should disappear shortly after birth. As we discussed here, and whenever the primary lens fiber is formed, the nucleus is the embryonic nucleus, and when there is the formation of the secondary lens fiber, the nucleus here will be called the fetal nucleus. And after birth the baby will be the infant, and at that time the nucleus is called the infantile nucleus, and up to the after puberty it is called the adult nucleus. And the lens develops throughout the life. We can see how there is the development of the nucleus. So like this, the lens develops throughout the life.